Hello there. Do a video walk around of this 2005 Chevrolet Venture with the wheelchair accessible conversion. I'll point out any condition items as we come across them. Got some scrapes there. There's a few dents on the hood here. Good tires on this one. This is the Amerivan by Eldorado on the Chevrolet Venture. So this is the minivan that was the precursor to the Uplander. Got some wear on the skirting here. Got several dings, dents, and scratches on this rear bumper and tailgate. Good glass all the way around, good tires, a little bit of paint chip there. Overall vehicle is in good shape, and it's a nice sized van, not too large, not too small. Okay, so how this works is we've got a manual door here. So we slide this open. Then you've got a fold out ramp that sits next to the door. You control that ramp with this switch here. So when I press out, you got to press and hold. That ramp's going to come out, and then you're able to come into the vehicle this way. The floor has been installed with a subfloor, so that way you have the floor anchors, and then there's a rubberized coating here that helps with traction on wheelchairs. This front seat is removable. You can see that in our pictures online. And then you've got the basic setup for CD, radio, AC. So overall, vehicle, like I said, is in good shape. You got third row AC back here as well. And then you close up the ramp by pressing the up switch here. Make sure you hold that down until it stops. And then we just pull the door closed here. That's how it works. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if we can help. Take care.